सौमिल मी तुला पुढच्या वेळेस चान्स देईन बरं का बाळा, वाईट नाही वाटून घ्यायचं.
Miss, me also next time, huh?
Recording is started.
मिनिट. जे म्हणणार आहेत तेवढेच फक्त त्यांचेच कॅमेरेज ऑन असतील.
मिस रेकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट झालंय.
येस येस आय नो. चलो अन्वेक्षिका 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
पंचदशः पाठः लालनगीतम्। उदिते सूर्ये धरणी विहसति, पक्षी कूजति कमलं विकसति. This is the first verse. Now I am going to tell the meaning. The translation of the first verse is: when the sun rises, earth laughs, light is spread everywhere, birds chirp and lotuses bloom.
The second verse is Nadati mandire uच्चैर्धक्का sarati saritah salile selati nauka. The translation of this verse is: drum makes loud sounds, rings loudly in the temple, boat sails in the water of the river.
The third verse is Pushpe Pushpe Nanaranga Teshudayante Chitrapatanga. The translation of this verse is: each flower is of different color and different types of beautiful butterflies fly on them.
The fourth verse is Vrukshe Vrukshe Nutana Patram Vividhai Varnau Vibhati Chitram. The meaning of this verse is: new leaf on each tree. Scenery looks beautiful with different colors.
The fifth verse is Dhenuhu pratyachati dugdham shuddham swachham madhuram snigdham. The translation of this verse is: in the morning cow gives pure, clean, sweet and soft cream milk.
गहने विपिने व्याघ्रो गर्जति उच्चैस्तत्र च सिंहः नर्दति. The meaning of this verse is: in the dense forest tiger and lion roar loudly.
The seventh verse is Harinoyam Khadati Navaghasam Sarvatra cha Pashyati Savilasam. The translation of this verse is: deer eats new grass growing all around the forest. Sarvatra cha Pashyati Savilasam. It means everywhere we can see happiness.
Advika, please say. Harshavardhan, please say seventh and eighth.
Miss, seventh is done. Can I tell eighth one?
Yes.
Ushtraha tadanga manda gacchati prushte prachuram bhara nivahati. The meaning of this verse is: tall camels walk slowly and carries lot of burden on back.
The ninth verse is Ghotaka Rajah Srimpam Dhavati Dhavana Samaye Kimapi na Khadati. The meaning of this verse is: horse runs swiftly and while running he doesn't eat anything.
Pashyad Ballukamimam Karalam Yuttati Tathatai Kuru Karatalam. The translation of this verse is: see this ferocious bear, he dances like Tatatai clap.
Ayush, say the poem.
Okay, miss. उदिते सूर्ये धरणी विहसति पक्षी कूजति कमलं विकसति नदति मंदिरे उच्चैर्ढक्का सरितः सलिले सेलति नौका पुष्पे पुष्पे नाना रंगा तेषु डयन्ते चित्रपतंगा वृक्षे वृक्षे नूतन पत्रं विविधैर्वर्णौ विभाति चित्रम् धेनुः प्रातर्यच्छति दुग्धं शुद्धं स्वच्छं मधुरं स्निग्धम् गहने विपिने व्याघ्रो गर्जति उच्चैस्तत्र च सिंहः नर्दति हरिणोऽयं खादति नवघासं सर्वत्र च पश्यति सविलासम् उष्ट्रः तुङ्गः मन्दं गच्छति पृष्ठे प्रचुरं भारं निवहति घोटकराजः क्षिप्रं धावति धावनसमये किमपि न खादति पश्यत भल्लुकमिमं करालं नृत्यति तथै कुरु करतालम्. Thank you.
Very good, students. Very good. Amrapali miss, now we can stop recording.